In Pakistan, for us, the day is of significance, especially in terms of women's contribution to our economy, women's contribution to the household, and women's contribution in the rural as well as the urban areas. The fact is that women in rural areas, the number of women as part of labor and workers in rural areas is higher in Pakistan than in urban areas, partly because there are more people living in the rural areas. But what is very important when we start looking at women's contributions, we still don't have measurements to actually count their work and compensate for the kind of work they're doing. We are also seeing that there's a lot of out-migration with the responsibility not only of the household but also of the looking after their small plots or their what they call kitchen gardens or whatever is on the women. And it is having a negative impact on their health as well as the health of their children. We need to now focus on countries like ours, developing countries where women contribute through the care work, through as part of family labor, through non-farm work, to be able to devise systems of measuring them. Current statistics somehow only looks at paid employers and the work that women do or men do in employment. That in Pakistan is very low, 24 to 26% of women working in the labor force, where actually women even in the informal sector give up to 8 hours a day on that work. So we need to globally change, and this is the opportunity. The UN Commission on the Status of Women is meeting with this focus on rural women. And your SDGs recognize that care work is an extremely important input in the overall economy. And I think that's the challenge. And we in Pakistan need to focus on how do we improve the lives of women, especially rural, as well as urban slum areas.